Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Imagine having a brand new car that's not only environmentally friendly, but also packed with cutting-edge technology. Sounds great, right? Well, for electric and hybrid vehicle owners in France, the reality might be a bit different. In fact, their cars are becoming increasingly expensive to repair. That's because electric vehicles are heavier than petrol and diesel cars of the same size, which means they cause more damage when involved in accidents. The weight difference alone contributes to a 25% rise in garage prices since 2020, as revealed by France Assureur's Sécurité et Réparation Automobiles unit. This is not only affecting the cost of repairs, but also making EV owners pay for spare parts that are significantly more expensive. Take wing mirror replacements, for instance. On average, it costs €636 to fix an electric vehicle's wing mirror, which is 1.25 times more expensive than a petrol car. And if there's a windscreen-related claim, the bill can reach up to €1,077, €1.50 times more expensive than its petrol counterpart. Now, some manufacturers design their batteries so they cannot be repaired, but only recycled, making them even pricier. In contrast, some European EVs have removable batteries that can be sent for repair at specialist centers. However, these are relatively rare cases. As insurance firms start to factor in the higher cost of repairing electric and hybrid vehicles, premiums are getting more expensive. Les Furet's broker reports a 13% increase in hybrid car premiums compared to last year and an even steeper rise of 20% for EVs. Meanwhile, average insurance price hikes are at 10%. The impact on France's garages is likely to be significant too. With the spread of electric vehicles predicted to lead to a decline in the number of mechanics employed in garages from 1,500 to 3,000 per year until 2035, concessions, which typically handle maintenance for cars sold with maintenance packs, will be particularly affected. As we move towards a more sustainable transportation future, it's essential to consider these rising costs and ensure that our electric vehicles are properly maintained. At Electro Drive News, we'll continue to bring you the latest updates on this topic and all things related to electric mobility in France. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News.